story about, well, just listen. Picture this, Friday night lights, center field, and it feels like the fight of your life. You got fans in the stands, now it's black versus white, now it's wrong versus right, now it's dark versus light. You see in my hometown a lot of racism bred, fist fights, then a knife, and now a brother was dead. Wait, but you don't understand, you should've heard what he said. His body hit the green turf, that's how they painted it red. News 6 interviewing Ben, trying to get his thoughts. Nooses, Confederate flags, had to play a part. Ben said we shouldn't be divided in the ways we are, reflecting on the fight in his head. It's really our fault. As you can imagine, Ben's peers didn't like that. I bet that linebacker wish he could've took that line back. Now it's death threats, so he feeling more intimidated, but not from the other side of town. They appreciate it. Yeah, this is how it goes in my hometown. Yeah, this is how it goes in my hometown. Yeah, this is how it goes in my hometown. Yeah, this is how it goes, and I don't wanna fight no more. Yeah, this is how it goes in my hometown. Yeah, this is how it goes, and I don't wanna fight no more. Picture this, Friday night lights, center field, and this feels like the fight of your life. You got fans in the stands, now it's black versus white, now it's wrong versus right, now it's dark versus light. You see in my hometown a lot of racism bred, fist fights, then a knife, and now my brother is dead. Wait, but you don't understand, you should've heard what we said. Black body, green turf, that's how they painted it red. News 6 interview him, cause we don't get those. Nooses and Confederate flags, we play against those. Now we understand that racism, it has to be taught. But if they perpetuate the hate, it's really their fault. A boy named Devin Calloway also had to rant. Heard what Ben said on the news, that was the olive branch. He could see that white boy Ben was trying to bring the peace. Now they work together just to show you how the world should be. Yeah, this is how it goes in my hometown. Yeah, this is how it goes in my hometown. Yeah, this is how it goes in my hometown. Yeah, this is how it goes, and I don't wanna fight no more. Yeah, this is how it goes in my hometown. Yeah, this is how it goes, and I don't wanna fight no more. So I know it gets hard to make those tough decisions, but you gotta stand for something, you're gonna fall for anything. We all come from a hometown.